So the first question was fixar.
We actually talked
Fixar.
about that just now.
Yeah.
Good timing.
And are the uses of fix the same as in American English?
Yes, yes, it
Well,
is.
that's an easy answer.
It's one of those words that we apply to almost anything.
Mm,
Got
it.
Like if someone asks you to do something, a task, for example, and you just say, "Jag fixar det ikväll." So I'll do it tonight. I'll sort it out tonight.
I'll sort it out, get it straight, fix it, whatever.
Yeah, and it's used very, very often. So we don't even I didn't even think about it when we wrote it down because everyone uses it. So it's very common.
It's a common verb if you thought it was in the top 50, which I found really surprising because in my study of Swedish, I've actually never seen the word before.
Well, I think if you go to Sweden and you speak to Swedes, you will probably hear it a couple of times at least a day.
Oh,
someone will always say "Jag fixar det."
That's great to know.
Because it's just one of those things people say.
Yeah.